We've been looking at different industries. So now, Anurag, we're looking at software here. So how much is cloud computing going to accelerate next year?
I mean, from the results we saw in the previous quarter, it seems that the acceleration is picking up, which could continue into 2016. This is for basic infrastructure as a service.
Right.
So if you want to start a new application, start a new business, instead of building your own infrastructure, you just go out and rent it from Amazon, Google, Microsoft.
Yeah.
And I think that's an area which could see acceleration much more than what we have seen in 2015 also.
Okay.
Which has broader ramifications for the entire tech industry. So you have companies that provide legacy software, so the kinds of, the Oracles, the VMware, IBM does a lot of work there. Now these guys will benefit from the cloud in their cloud segments, but their core legacy businesses or the core software and services that they sell, I think they'll have some more pressure on those areas.
Right, and the question is how quickly can they make that adjustment so that it offsets, this legacy business decline. Okay, security software is another area of growth, right?
Yeah, security has been an area of growth for several years. What we think it's going to happen next year also is what we have seen over the last 1.5 years is there are certain advanced security companies, the likes of Palo Alto and FireEye, that have done fairly well in terms of growth rates. The likes of IBM and Cisco, which are traditional legacy software companies in the security realm, I think they will also try to catch up and have a lot more advanced security products of their own so that they can also benefit from this rise in advanced security spending at this point.
Okay, so what about consolidation? Are we going to see any kind of shakeout in any of these areas here, Anurag?
We should see across the broad spectrum, whether it's cloud or security, if you have niche vendors or if you have some specialization that they do, they're most likely going to be acquired by larger vendors, the likes of IBM, Cisco, and some of the others. They would be more acquisitive in the space.
And analytics?
That's the one area I think that could become the most promising area from an application point of view. What we are starting to see is there's been a lot of VC money going into machine learning, artificial intelligence for the past several years. What we think is going to happen next year is we're going to start to see applications of that in software packages that come from, let's say, the companies like Microsoft or Salesforce.com or Workday. When the software is updated, you'd have a lot more machine learning and artificial intelligence embedded in it.